So, here we are again. In the cage, look, in the cage. The animals, the birds, the flock, the beauties are doing very well indeed. It's almost ready for me to cover. They've just got quite a few weeds to sort out and then I can get in there. So that's nearly all done. Yes, so I have to go and do their water now, which, as you can see, they are indeed waiting on. So I'd best go and do that. I don't want to have too much water in there because it will stagnate the ground and I don't want that to happen. So, and it'll be too soggy for me to sort out. So, let's have a look at what the ducks do when I change their water. Yes, so, oh my goodness, we're in a race. We're in a race. So I gotta talk. Would you Adam and Eve it? So it seems I have a problem with my card in the GoPro. Do you know what? It's never ending, is it? Fuss and all along. So let's have a look what I can do about the card. Anyway, so I'll have to sign off from here. So I'll... Nah. Do you know what? It's right. I'm gonna need surgery on these puffy eyes. They're not baggy, are they really? They're just enormous. I mean, if I was going away anywhere, I would just need to pack those, but they are exceedingly puffy, as are these. So it could be sinus related. Yes, could be. Anyway, I'm going now, so I shall see you all later. Tatty bye, TTFN. And look out for my new videos, which will be coming up as soon as my PC gets back and as soon as I can do everything that I need to do on there. Oh, what's that up there? Anyhow, so, I must be going now, as they say. I need to do the watering, but I also need to sort out the card for my GoPro. TTFN, bye.